In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can integrate Outlook with ClickUp. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.clickup.com and log in to your ClickUp account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, go to the left panel, click on More, and then click on Apps. Here is where you can access all the possible integrations for ClickUp. Now, I'm going to search for Outlook. As you can see, there are four types of integrations that you can do. For this video, let's integrate it with Outlook Mail. So once you're here, click on Connect. And then you will be redirected to another tab where you're simply going to connect this one to your Outlook account. So let's connect it. Log in to your Microsoft account. Wait for a few seconds to verify. Let's make a passkey. Wait for a few seconds to set up your passkey. Confirm. Then finally, accept. Wait for it. And once you see this on your screen, it means you've successfully connected or integrated ClickUp with Outlook. And that's it. So if you want to support our channel, feel free to use the affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.